Okie dokie, we've had a little bit of fun and games. We've hopefully got the recording a little bit better. I'm trying to do less noise and stuff like that. We are going to go with pistol whip standard. Going for the pink gun, 15 shots. So that is also one of my favourite guns. Go quickly customise the sound. I like that one. It's got a at the end. Cool. So we're going to go for... I want to go for a single pistol. I usually do double, but I want to try single. I will turn on one shot to help me out, and also obstructions because they do get in the way. So yeah, we're going to stick with that single pistol. The other video I was doing some other stuff, but this is still a work in progress. So we're going to go arcade, classics. I think it was Revelations, but we are going to do single pistol only. This should make it a little bit more fun, because with two pistols it's not too bad, but we're going to start. I have played this a few times, so I do have a little bit of knowledge, but we're going to have a bit of fun. Let's see if we can do it with one, which is I run out of bullets every 5 seconds. I've also turned down the audio. And we're going to see how we play. Come on, I can hear it pulsing. So I can still hear the music, but I'm hoping it's not going to make it difficult for you guys, because sometimes it can be a bit overpowering. I thought there was one there. One he just comes up here and he hides around the back here. Remember to stay in time with the music, which is harder than you think. And it seems to track your head as well. You shoot as soon as they appear, and it's not in with the music, lose your points. If you wait too long, you get a shot off. Missed. If you hold your hand one way, so the good thing, you always be moving side to side. And I've got to try and do more pistol whips as well, which is harder than you think. Don't do it at the right time. One appears in the corner over here somewhere. Hup! Missed. Makes me feel like I'm playing the Matrix, this does, which is quite good. Ooh. And somebody said if you reload in time with the music, it's supposed to help. I don't know if I'm always on time with the music. Pistol whip then. Not really much the same, these games. Time with the music. I don't know where he's always flying. I caught that one that caught my eye from last time, which was good fun. Missed. That was a slow dodge though. Right, see if we can. Fire over here, please. Fire over here, please, and up into your guts. There we go. I've got a pistol whip in. There you go. Accuracy 82. I wasn't very much on beat, but my accuracy was good. 17. One pistol whip. Yeah, got an S. Not too bad. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully these new settings are working a little bit better, and I will catch you all on the other side. Bye for now.